Hello everyone. I'm very happy to be back with you with the new topic that is we are going to see internet protocol. Before that I want to introduce myself. I am Dr. Revati working as an assistant professor in Department of Data Analytics at the Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. Let us move to the topic internet protocol. Internet protocol in the sense we already know what is meant by internet protocol. We all uses IP address. IP address is allocated using this internet protocol. Each and every one is having the unique IP address. It is the internet protocol. The version is 4. That's why it is called as a IPv4. It is the part of the TCP IP suite and it has two parts. That is, it interface with the higher level and it has a protocol format and mechanism. Eventually, it will be replaced with IPv6 now because each and everyone is using internet today. So the IP address is also growing day to day. So we are going to move to IPv6 shortly. What are all the services provided by IP in the sense it produces two services, that is mainly two services, that is it sends the transmission request to the data unit and it delivers the notification when the data unit arrives. There are the two types of services provided by the IP and what are all the parameters used in IP in the sense it has a source and destination address, it has protocol and what type of services it provides and it has identification number and it has fragment indicator, it time to leave and data length, option data and user data. What are all the IPv options in the sense it has security, source routing and route recording, stream identification and time swapping. This is the structure of IPv4 header and the IPv4 header contains 0 to 31 bits and it represents the version, what type of version is there and IHLDS and ECA and the services provided by the IPv4 and it is the total length of the header and it is the identification whether the class belongs to A, B and C or D. So, and it is the flag representation and it is the fragment offset and how much time it to be leave, that is thus called as a time to leave and what type of protocol it used and we already seen about the checksum and it has a header checksum and it contains source address, destination address and options plus padding. That is a version we are already currently using 4 and we are going to move to the IPv6 and internet header length is 32 bits and ATS and ECN is the total types of services provided by the IPv4 and the total length of datagram is calculated in octets and it has identification number, that is the sequence of number used to identify the protocol address and the flag it has a more bit, that is either 0 or 1. It is in fragment, that is it contains fragmentation offset and time to live, how much it lives for 5 seconds or 20 seconds, like that the time will be noted there and what type of protocol we are used, that will be indicated there and it has checksum, revert and recomputed for each routing and it sets to 0 during each calculation and padding in the sense it contains 32 bits long and each and every data field is calculated using octets. Octet in the sense multiples of 8 bits and the maximum length of datagram in each and every header is 65,535 octets. This is the IPv4 address format. It contains 5 classes, that is class A, B, C, D and E. Class A starts with 0 and it network length is 7 bits, host bit is 24 bits, and class B start with 10, network bit is 14 bit, and the host bit is 16 bits, and class C starts is 110, and the network bit is 21 bits, and host bit is 8 bits. Class D is multi-classed. It starts with the 1110, and class E is for future use. Already we have seen class A starts with binary 0, and it ranges from 1 to 126, all allocated. And class B starts with 10, and it ranges from 128 to 191, and it has octet 2 power 14, all allocated. And class C also starts with 110, and it has been ranges from 192 to 223. It opted is 2 power 21 addresses have been allocated, all allocated in the sense. So we are moving for the IPv6. Thank you. We'll catch you with the another video. Thank you all.